this episode of unboxing, a wood stand from Thailand. All right, everybody. So I just got this package. Actually, it was more than 2 weeks now. I didn't have a chance to really to film myself and do this, but I really want to document this. This wood stand actually came from Wan T. I can't pronounce his last name, from Thailand. You've seen it on Facebook. He has these beautiful wood, organic shape, or what we call root stands. That I was eyeing for many years now, actually, for at least 4 or 5 years now, after I've seen evolution of Wan's work. And I finally saw a thin stand. So something in comparison, I have like this, which is a very organic kind of rootware, but it's on a smaller scale. Most of my stands are this larger, this is I think 17 by 14 size, fits most of my trees. But I needed something that was in between these two sizes. Something that fit like this olive, this olive like this, okay? Or something like a stone, Murphy stone, okay? Or something even smaller would be something like this, jade. So something like this. So I was looking for a stand in between to be like my number 2 stand. Like if this was my number 1 stand, I was looking for a number 2 stand that was a different shape. Again, just like Lindsay says, when we're presenting, we want these stands to have, in our pots, have different colors, different shapes, different sizes, so we can start mixing and matching. So without further ado, so I did see this, the cat was out of the bag. If you saw a Facebook post, one actually posted this with my name on it. I was trying to hide the fact that I had bought one. Not for my wife, because I actually told my wife, so I was eyeing this for a while now, and then I just, talking to Mel Carrillo, thank you, Mel. Mel ordered one several years ago, and we were in a conversation of me picking that one up, because he was letting that go. It is for actually that tree behind me. If you can see that tree behind me. If this works out, and this kind of like speed this up a little bit. If this actually works out quality-wise, I might have Juan make me another one. I'll post his information in the description. So if you want to contact him to make your own stand, this was actually a custom made. This was actually in the background. He actually made one first. This is not his classic root stand, which is a really tall for cascades, or for showing cascades. This is actually like a smaller, flatter one. He made one earlier, and I saw that it was like a really good organic shape that I really enjoyed. So that's why I asked him. He had a second one, and then currently on Facebook, he's making 3 of these. So apparently someone saw that too and thought these were great shapes. But I am gonna order nicely packaged. I paid around, I think it was a little over 4 or a little under 4, around 400. And again, for stands, handmade, you can't really say no. I didn't really barter with them. I usually try to, but because it's custom made, and this guy does this for a living. I mean, he's a true artist. I've seen some people from the East Coast order a couple. I've seen some of the stands already in national shows. So his name is out there. He is a budding ceramicist. I see some of his work already. It's really beautiful. This is well packaged, by the way. It did take a while to get here. As Mel has said, you pay the guy through PayPal and you hope it arrives. Those scams you get from Western Union. But he took PayPal. It went through a family member. Apparently something was going on with his business that he couldn't use PayPal. Ooh, I can see it. I can see it. I can see the feet. And this guy does everything by hand, so I know this is handmade. Some of the detail work. He has gotten better. Wan has gotten much better over the years. From I first seen it to this level. I mean, he really, oh yeah, it's much more detailed than I expected. Much refined. The first couple he made that was relatively inexpensive had some really coarse legwork. Wow, this is beautiful. Check that out. It's really heavy, so I know this is a, get up closer, really tropical. Love the graining, beautiful. No filler, solid piece. Needs some oil on it, it's a little dry. But this was kind of my concern from his earlier pieces. It's the feet work. The detail work of these things are very fine, very delicate, really flat. It's mid-size, see? So again, this is exactly what I was looking for, something mid-size. It really, I love the grainage, it's beautiful. Wan, this is amazing. You might have another custom soon. So that's originally one of my ideas to have. So you can have this as a stand with your main tree, you know. Or I wonder if it's too small. I wonder, this might be a little bit too small for it, or too big. See that's not bad size either. Just gives you an idea, you know. For the amount I paid, I think it was an awesome deal. Handmade, craftsmanship. I think this is number 2 of the list, not number 1. I think, yes, I need to trim this guy out, but to give you an idea, like just a different style. I'm amazed. This is awesome work. You might be ordering another one soon, pretty one. Not anytime soon. I bought one, so maybe in about a couple months I'll probably order another one. But I say for the price I paid, well worth it. Handmade, custom. You can see that work with that Dremel tool. A really big Dremel tool, and it had some really cute, really cool details. You can see on the feet, they look like little roots. Grainage is impeccable. So yeah, if you're looking for a stand and you need a critique, wood is well done. The feet are well done. It's flat. Grainage is beautiful. I can't say any more about it. I wish the edge, maybe like a live edge or like a more convex edge on this way. Maybe it's more detailed, but other than that, again, your stand's supposed to stay quiet, but this is an awesome stand. Wan, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the video. I do enjoy your work. Again, you might have another customer. I'm gonna get that bad boy in the back probably measured and figure what direction I need it made, and then we'll probably make another cascade, I think. But other than that, if you guys like the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you have any questions about this type of stand or other stands, if you like some of my stuff, be my guest, give me a message or leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you guys like these unveiling or revealing or unboxing, whatever you want to call it, leave a comment. If you have someone else you want me to purchase and do an unboxing and do a really quick review and critique of, leave that in the comment. If I find it and they're available, I will totally do one. So thank you again, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving if I actually recorded on this Thanksgiving Day. And then God bless. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.